Hi friends, this is Miss Tiffany from the Miller branch of the Fort Smith Public Library. Guess what? My location, the Miller branch, is back open. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. right now, just until we can get more people hired and trained, and then we're going to be open longer hours, more extended hours. So be watching for that. It'll be sometime in the summer. Today's book is brand new to the library. It's called Outside Inside, and the author and illustrator is LeUyen Pham. She's a Caldecott Honor winner. So when you go through here, be looking at the illustrations, the pictures, and they're very, very beautiful. And you see this little kitty cat on the cover? He makes an appearance on every page. This book is going to cover a kind of a serious topic. It's what we've all been dealing with this last year. Everyone who was outside, there's a little kitty cat, went inside. Little kitty cat looks a little lonely without everyone. Everyone, everywhere, all over the world. There he is. Everyone just went inside, shut their doors, and waited. Well, almost everyone. Some people needed to be, who are these people? See a fire truck, policemen, ambulance, EMTs, and there's the kitty cat. So some people needed to be where they needed to be. Look at all the healthcare workers. Here's the little kitty cat right here. He's waiting outside with this gentleman who says, "Thank you all for saving my wife's life." He's thanking the healthcare workers. I see doctors, I see nurses. There's an exhausted healthcare worker right there. Outside, the sky was quiet, but the wind still blew, and the birds kept singing. Raccoons came out and squirrels played in the streets, but the cars stayed away. The world felt a little different. Do you remember feeling a little different back then? Here's another little kitty cat. Inside, we baked and cooked, made music and watched TV. We read and played games. Some of us worked a little, some of us worked a lot, and some of us couldn't work at all. We all felt a little different. There's the kitty cat. Outside, there were fences, both real and pretend. Swings sat still and slides were lonely. Bells didn't ring and halls were empty. We had birthdays without parties, shared words without sounds, and reached each other without touching. The world was changing a tiny bit outside. Here's the kitty cat. Inside we waited and we worried. We laughed and we cried and we tried to breathe. We made things together and did things alone. We hoped and prayed and wished. We were all changing a little bit inside. Outside, the world kept growing. Inside, we kept growing too. So why did we all go inside? Well, there were lots of reasons, but mostly because everyone knew it was the right thing to do. On the outside, we are all different. But on the inside, we are all the same. Look at all these hearts. And there's a little kitty cat heart, so there's the cat on that page. And we remembered that soon spring would come. Inside and outside. Spring is here, guys. Where's the kitty cat? There he is. At the end of this book, there is a really touching author's note. So it's a note from the author, things that she wants you to know. If you check this book out from the library, I would really encourage you to read this page. In it, she talks about how all the illustrations, every person in this book, is a reflection on a real life person. And on this page in particular, I want you to notice there are people who are hued in blue, and those are people who unfortunately lost their lives to coronavirus. This is just a way to remember them and honor those people. And also remember the healthcare workers. They're reflected a lot in this book. So a big thank you to all the healthcare workers who worked through this pandemic. Thank you. The end.
Let's make a monster bookmark. First, we need a sheet of construction paper. Let's make that sheet of construction paper into a square shape by folding one corner down, then cut off the remaining strip at the bottom. Now fold your square in half, open it up, fold it in half the other direction, open it up, and now you're going to have 4 small squares. Cut out one of the squares. There should be 2 adjacent squares to the one that you just cut out. Now fold in the outside corners in, and that'll make a triangle that you're going to cut off on both sides. You'll have 2 triangles at the top now. Fold one down, put some glue on top of it, and then fold the other one on top of the first one. Now it's time to decorate your monster however you want. I gave mine a tongue, 2 eyes, and some teeth.
For more fun programming, be sure and check out the library's YouTube channel. Bye-bye. Come and see us at the Miller Branch Library soon. We do require masks for ages 10 and older and social distancing.